Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. And it seems like Bitcoin is fired up for some potential moves to the upside. I'm happy to see this. I'm personally very happy to see this. So here we go, dam on top right there, got a bearish pattern, destroyed, complete. It's over. No technical targets down. This is meaningless and unuseful. So at this point of time, the intentions is pretty much clear to me. And intentions seem to try to move to the upside of the line as well. So I'm just going to remove some of the drawings there, and we're going to see that on the 1 hour time frame, and I do see a lot of altcoins breaking out and destroying the bearish patterns, which is actually good. Okay, so for me, Bitcoin has this flag right over here, and speaking of this flag, we got a technical target on the 1 hour time frame. If we break out of this flag, then and you might be looking at Bitcoin to jump all the way up to nearly this price level, which is gonna be $29,460. Now, one thing that really gets me worried is that this pump, this is pretty early. This is like a rushed pump, but on the daily time frame, we do have on the RSI a room to go to the upside. If I show you the RSI on the daily, you already have Bitcoin here, and on the RSI, still looking for that overbought level. Like, it's trying to get to this area right there, and that's where we might see a push up, even maybe to $34,000, because if you're gonna be pumping now like this, then why stop? Okay, and this now on the daily also looks like a very big flag here. So you're potentially making a flag on the daily time frame, and that flag can take Bitcoin all the way from the top to the bottom right there. Now drum roll please, because this is about to get really interesting, because you're looking for even a push up to, oh my goodness, are we looking for $39,000, man? Because that's pretty crazy, right? Because this dam on top is now turning into a flag on the daily time frame. Or maybe it could be that I'm taking the flagpole at the wrong measurement, and that could be from there to there, and we might be looking for this small flag. Well, at least let's be realistic here. 32,000 could be something there, but I wouldn't be surprised with $39,000 as your technical target. That doesn't surprise me, because you still have a $69,000 as your technical target as well. So on the monthly time frame, it seems like we're about to close the month as well, and this is how a bull run really starts, man. Like, if you look at the history of bull runs, you pretty much need monthly green candles like this, something like this as well, push up. This is how the bull run starts. So this is really good, because this does actually seem to me like a start of the next cycle to the upside, to $100,000 and even above, maybe to all the way to $300,000. That's something that I might possibly see for Bitcoin down the road. That could potentially be a bottom, because why not? Falling wedge are reversal candles, reversal patterns. So you have a reversal pattern, which is good, and I've always been mentioning this again and again, that at one stage you had a flag here, and they could have taken Bitcoin down to $8,000, but you destroyed the flag. It's over. You're not looking for a technical. The day that we actually destroyed the flag, I always changed my opinion, and I was like, yeah, the flag is destroyed. And on top of that, you do have this descending broadening wedge, right angle descending, where you have the straight line falling like this, and you're looking for this technical target, which is actually at $34,000 for this whole pattern right there. So yeah, amazing stuff to see here for Bitcoin. Let's actually hope that we get to even see $39,000 down the road. Retest doesn't seem like Bitcoin is interested for a retest. Okay, it does not look like it, even though it could have been good if Bitcoin really backtested things on the weekly. That could have been a very healthy option right there, but it is what it is. If it's not interested to go down, it's not interested. We cannot do anything about it. So considering that this is an inverse head and shoulder, then you do have a technical target. If you're not going to come down and retest, then you're looking for even $36,000 here for Bitcoin as well. So that's pretty much it for this update. Hope you enjoyed this one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.